Hi, this is Spiros for Programming Tech, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about what is web accessibility. Essentially, and this comes from the page w3.org, which is one of the authorities about web accessibility. It says, web accessibility means that websites, tools, and technologies are designed and developed so that people with disabilities can use them. So the bottom line is that's what accessibility is. It is developing and designing your digital products so that everyone can use them, including people with disabilities. And that's it. That is web accessibility. But for an example or two, consider that a user of your website or whatever digital product you have may have some kind of vision disability. They may be completely blind, or they may just not be able to see very well as you can, for example. So a person like that, with a disability like that, may need to use a screen reader to experience the content of your website, where a screen reader would essentially read out all the text of your website to that user. And if your website isn't coded in a way that allows this to happen, like if particular elements on your page don't have associated text with them or don't have a text representation of them, then that user may not be able to use your website whatsoever, not at all. And that is what we want to avoid. And another example that you can imagine is that someone may have some kind of motor disability, which means maybe they can't use their arms and fingers as well as someone without a disability. So if they're using touch devices, for example, and the elements of the touch device version of your website or whatever it is, if they're too close together and if they're not large enough, they may just not be able to use your website at all. They may not be able to hit those pinpoint targets, and that basically completely excludes them from using your website in those kinds of devices. So that's pretty much it. That's what web accessibility means. In summary, it means that everyone should be able to use your website regardless of disabilities. So when you develop your digital content, you must do it in a way that accounts for all of these disabilities and more. So that's it. And as for information on how to actually do that, how to develop with accessibility in mind, please see the next few videos we're going to release on this channel. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this as they come out, then please click subscribe. It really helps the channel when you do those things. And finally, if you have any comments, any counter arguments, or any suggestions that maybe we left out here, then please leave a comment below. All right, thanks very much, and see you on the next one.